If the morning feels heavy, take just a few minutes. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide for this journey into inner strength. By the end, you will feel centered, rooted in yourself, and empowered with a calm that radiates from knowing your own value. Take a slow, deep breath in, letting your chest expand naturally. Exhale gently, letting yesterday's doubts fall away, like leaves drifting down a quiet stream. Again, inhale fully, feeling energy rise from the soles of your feet. Exhale softly, letting tension leave your body, leaving space for calm and confidence. Now imagine stepping onto a cliffside path at sunrise, where the sky is painted in golds and soft rose tones. The earth beneath your feet feels steady, unshakable. As you walk forward, notice a soft mist curling around the rocks, shimmering with tiny points of light, like the sparks of your own potential. Ahead, a gentle surge of wind greets you, lifting your hair and brushing your skin, reminding you that you are alive, capable, and ready to step fully into your day. A glowing amber flame appears along the path. Move closer, breathing in slowly, and exhale as you feel its warmth fill your chest, spreading confidence through every muscle and thought. This flame embodies your inner strength, the quiet power that has always lived inside you, waiting for your attention, ready to guide you through the day. Breathe deeply and notice the flame brighten with your inhale, as if recognizing the courage you carry even on uncertain mornings. Exhale slowly, feeling its glow align with your own energy, reminding you that your presence alone is enough. Walk forward now, the flame floating beside you, illuminating the path with steady, soft light. Each step is intentional, each breath a reminder of your own resilience. Another truth rises from within. I release the weight of doubt that no longer serves me. I stand in the quiet strength that has always been mine. Every breath I take fills me with clarity, courage, and unwavering confidence. I trust myself, I honor myself, and I move forward with grace and purpose. The path curves to a high vantage point. The flame lifts higher, its light merging with the sun's first rays, connecting your confidence to the world around you. Take a long, deep inhale, feeling this strength anchor in your chest. And exhale slowly. Hold your gaze on the horizon and feel the flame dissolve into a soft glow within you. A reminder that your power is always available, even after the meditation ends. Take one last slow breath in and exhale fully, grounded in the knowledge that today you step forward with strength, with calm, and with radiant confidence. Open your eyes when you feel ready, carrying this renewed presence into your morning. Subscribe now and join the R&R Story Meditation community, a space where restorative meditations nurture you.